This free AI tool can generate hundreds of videos in one click, and most people don't even believe it works. No credit card, no trial, 100% free, and yes, I'll even make it work on mobile. But listen carefully, if you skip even 10 seconds of this video, you'll miss the one setting that makes this automation actually work. I've tested dozens of AI automation tools. Most of them either lock features behind paywalls, limit generations, or completely break at scale. This one doesn't. Open Google Chrome on your PC and search for Auto Whisk. Click the link that says Automator for Whisk AI. Now hit Add to Chrome. That's it. No sign up, no setup headache. Click the Auto Whisk extension icon, paste all your image prompts at once, press start, and watch this. It generates images for every prompt automatically. And here's the crazy part. It downloads everything by itself. No clicking, no manual work, pure automation. I use this exact tool to create hundreds of videos with 100% character consistency, and I already posted a full step-by-step video on that, but then my comments exploded. Everyone kept saying, bro, this tool doesn't work on mobile, and they're right. By default, it doesn't, because when you try to add the Auto Whisk Chrome extension on mobile, Chrome simply doesn't allow extensions. End of story. Or is it? Because after hours of research, I found a way to make Auto Whisk work on mobile too, but first, let me save you from making a big mistake. You'll see people recommending Kiwi browsers, but when you search Kiwi browser on Play Store, you will not find the exact same Kiwi Brower, which allow adding Chrome extension. If you search this on Google Chrome, then you will get this link, but problem is when you visit this link, it says item not found. But you'll see people recommending APK files for certain browsers. Do not install them. Untrusted APKs equals viruses, data leaks, account hacks. I won't risk it, and you shouldn't either. Finally, I found the solution. Open Google Play Store, search for Quetta Browser by Quetta Networks, install it. This browser supports Chrome extensions on mobile, and yes, Auto Whisk works perfectly inside it. No hacks, no AP hole, no risk. Once the Quetta browser app is installed, open it. The first thing you'll notice is this. Quetta doesn't look complicated at all. Now, tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner. From here, tap on the extensions icon. Next, tap on Install Extensions. A search bar will appear. Inside this bar, type Auto Whisk. You'll immediately see the Auto Whisk extension. Tap on Install. Now tap OK. And that's it. Within a few seconds, Auto Whisk is successfully installed inside your mobile browser. No APKs, no risky downloads, no hacks. Just go back. And now comes the real part, generating hundreds of clips in just one click. Again, tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner, tap on the extensions icon. You'll now see Auto Whisk listed there. Tap on it. The extension opens instantly. The very first thing you must do here is change the language. Tap here and select your preferred language. I'm choosing English. Next, you'll see multiple versions. If you're a beginner, don't overthink this. Just go with the classic version. Now tap on Go to Whisk. And this part is extremely important. You must log in to Whisk. If you don't log in, the Auto Whisk extension will not work at all. Once the login is successful, tap on the button that says Enter Tool. Let me clear one thing right now. Google Whisk is completely free. You can generate unlimited images using Google Whisk without paying a single penny. And the screen right here is crucial. Only when you see this exact interface, only then should you move forward. Because if this interface doesn't load, Auto Whisk will not work. Now again, tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner, tap on the extensions icon, and tap on the Auto Whisk extension to launch it again. Once it opens, select the classic version again. Now focus here. Inside this text box, simply paste your entire text-to-image prompt list. Not one prompt, not two, the entire list at once. Once the complete prompt list is pasted, scroll down and tap on Start. You'll now see two options, Create New Project and Run on this project. On mobile devices, always select Run on this project. The moment you tap it, the automation begins. You'll see the Auto Whisk extension start generating images in bulk, one by one, automatically. Now, this part is extremely important. Do not close the AutoWhisk extension, do not minimize it, do not switch apps, because the moment you close it, the automation stops. Just keep the extension open and visible until everything finishes, and here's the magic. Within a few seconds, it doesn't just generate all the images, it downloads every single image automatically directly to your mobile device. No manual saving, no extra clicks, and then you'll see this message, all done. That message means only one thing. Every image has been generated and downloaded successfully in just one click. Once you see all done, you can finally minimize the AutoWhisk extension by simply dragging it down. And now when you check your device, you'll see it. All your images are ready, generated in bulk, downloaded automatically without paying anything. This is exactly how you turn one prompt list into hundreds of assets in minutes. Now, to generate a complete story video using this magical AI automation, open ChatGPT on your mobile and ask it to write a highly engaging short story in 2D Ghibli style, not longer than 3 minutes. You can adjust the duration if you want. Tell it very clearly. Start the story with a suspense hook, introduce a new suspense hook every 5 seconds, and make sure the story has 2 characters. Hit send. Within seconds, ChatGPT generates a powerful, suspense-driven script, perfectly suited for a Studio Ghibli-style narrative. Once the script is ready, don't stop there. Now ask ChatGPT to generate text-to-image prompts for every scene. Tell it to create prompts in 2D Ghibli Studio style to make sure each scene connects smoothly with the previous one, and to include the characters in the prompt whenever they appear. Also add this very important instruction. There must be one line break between each scene prompt and nothing else in the output. And finally, tell it to include 2D Ghibli Studio style in every single prompt. Hit send. And once again, ChatGPT does its magic. You'll now see a complete list of scene-by-scene image prompts, each one connected to the next, each one written specifically in 2D Ghibli Studio style. Now, simply select all the prompts and copy them. Next, open Google Whisk and create a new project. Tap on the 3 dots in the bottom right corner, tap on the extensions icon, and launch the AutoWhisk extension. Go to the classic version. If there are any existing prompts, remove them. Now paste the newly copied scene prompts, scroll down, tap on Start, and choose Run on this project. The automation starts immediately. Just remember, do not close or minimize the AutoWhisk extension. Wait. In moments, all the scene images are generated and downloaded, and then you'll see it. All done. Every scene of your story generated in one click. At first glance, it looks perfect, but there's one problem you'll immediately notice: character consistency. The story's there, the art style is there, but the characters don't look the same in every scene. And character consistency is everything. So here's how you fix it. Go back to the same ChatGPT conversation, ask it to provide detailed 2D Ghibli Studio style character prompts for all the characters present in the script. Hit send. ChatGPT now generates separate detailed character prompts for character 1 and character 2. Copy the prompt for character 1, go back to Google Whisk and open a new project, paste the character prompt, hit send. Within seconds, the first character image is generated. Download it. Now remove that prompt from Whisk. Go back to ChatGPT. Copy the prompt for character 2. Paste it into Whisk. Hit send. Again, within seconds, the second character image is generated. Download this one as well. Now you have both character images saved on your device. Next, tap on the small arrow icon. Inside the subject section, upload the image of character 1. Once it's uploaded successfully, tap on the plus icon and upload the image of character 2. Within moments, both characters are added. Make sure the tick mark is enabled on both images. Now tap on the 3 dots in the bottom right corner, tap on the extensions icon, and launch AutoWhisk again. Go to the classic version. You'll now see the scene prompts already there. If for any reason you don't, simply paste the prompts again, scroll down, tap on Start, and select Run on this project. This time the automation runs with absolute character consistency. Don't close the extension, don't minimize it, wait until the process finishes, and then you'll see the message, all done. That's it. Minimize the extension, and now look at your results. Every scene generated, and every character perfectly consistent across the entire story, and also you can see that all the images automatically download in the mobile. Now Now it's time to give your story a professional voice. Open Chrome and search for AI Studio. Tap on the link that says Google AI Studio. Once the page opens, scroll down until you see the section that says Turn Text into Audio with Gemini. Tap on it. You'll now see the interface of Google AI Studio's 100% free voiceover generator. Before doing anything else, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and enable Desktop Site. This step is important. Now select single speaker audio. From here, choose the voice you like the most. Take a moment. This voice will carry your entire story. Once selected, paste your story script into the text box. Now tap on Run. Within a few seconds, the magic happens. Your AI voiceover is generated. Play it. Listen to it carefully.
And suddenly, the forest stopped breathing. Aiko froze.
And once you're satisfied, download the voiceover. At this point, you have everything you need. Cinematic images, perfect character consistency, and a professional quality voiceover, all created using free AI tools. Now open your favorite video editor on your mobile, import all the image clips one by one. Once every image is in, import the voiceover file. You'll now see everything in place, your visuals and your audio perfectly aligned. From here, add smooth transitions, subtle effects, and pacing that matches the emotion of the story. Don't overdo it. Let the story breathe. Once you're happy with how it looks and feels, export the video. And just like that, you've created a complete cinematic story video using free AI tools with automation directly from your mobile device. If you watched till this point, you already know the value here, so please hit the like button. It really helps. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And one more thing, if you want to build a high RPM USA-based YouTube channel, this is something you cannot afford to miss. That video is already waiting for you. I'll see you inside that tutorial.